bugged about it. Okay, let's talk AI people, but first, click that like button. Thanks, artificial intelligence. Sounds scary, right? Like something out of Terminator with robots taking over the world. Listen up, because I'm here to tell you, a lot of what you hear about AI is pure baloney. First off, let's get one thing straight. AI ain't some evil mastermind plotting world domination. It's just a fancy way of saying computers can be trained to do stuff humans do, sometimes even better. Think of it like this. Remember when you first learned to ride a bike? It took practice, right? AI's the same way. It learns from tons of data, kind of like how you learn to balance on two wheels. The more data it gets, the smarter it seems. But smarter doesn't mean evil genius, capiche? Not so fast, buddy. One of the biggest myths out there is that AI is going to put us all out of work. It's a fear that's been around since the dawn of automation, but let's take a closer look. Now, while it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, like filing paperwork, yawn, or crunching numbers, it's not going to replace humans entirely. Think about it, folks. Automation has been around for decades, and yet, here we are, still working, still innovating. AI might be able to whip up a spreadsheet faster than you can say Excel, but can it come up with a killer marketing campaign? Can it understand the nuances of human behavior and craft a message that resonates deeply with an audience? Can it write a screenplay that'll make you laugh till you cry? Sure, AI can generate text, but can it capture the essence of human experience, the subtleties of humor, the depth of emotion? Can it give a pep talk that'll inspire a team to greatness? Not a chance. AI lacks the ability to connect on a personal level, to understand the unique dynamics of a team, to motivate and inspire. That's where we come in, see? God created us humans with creativity, emotional intelligence, and good old-fashioned common sense that we bring to the table. We can think outside the box, come up with innovative solutions, and adapt to changing circumstances. Yes, I say it again. Humans bring creativity, emotional intelligence, and good old-fashioned common sense to the table. We can empathize with others, provide support, and celebrate successes together. These are things that AI just can't replicate. Things AI just can't replicate. Critical thinking, empathy, and the ability to understand and navigate complex social interactions are uniquely human traits. So instead of worrying about robots stealing our jobs, let's think about how we can work alongside them, using AI as a tool to make our lives easier and more productive. Imagine a future where AI handles the mundane tasks, freeing us up to focus on what we do best, being human. Let's embrace the possibilities and work together to create a better, more efficient world. Please don't make me laugh. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. Is AI gonna outsmart us all and take over the world? I mean, it's called, right? Well, hold your horses, Einstein. While it's true that AI can process information at lightning speed and even beat us at our own games, looking at you, Deep Blue, it's not exactly got the brains of a rocket scientist. Here's the deal. AI is great at specialized tasks. It can recognize faces, translate languages, and even write decent poetry sometimes, but it lacks the general intelligence and common sense that we humans take for granted. You can't just sit down and have a philosophical debate with Siri. You know what I'm saying? AI running the show solo? Hold your horses, Tex. Another myth that needs busting is this idea that AI can function all on its own, without any human intervention. Listen, I love a good self-driving car as much as the next gal, but even those fancy cars need humans behind the wheel, ready to take over if things go haywire. AI is a tool, folks, and like any tool, it needs a skilled operator. Humans are the ones who design, program, and train AI systems. We decide what data it learns from, what tasks it performs, and how it interacts with the world. Without human oversight, AI is about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. The rise of the machines? Relax, it's not a sci-fi flick. We're not talking about a dystopian future where robots rule the world. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably recalling all those movies and TV shows where robots become self-aware and decide to turn on humanity. But Ellen, what about all those movies where robots become self-aware and turn on humanity? You might be picturing scenes from The Terminator or I, Robot. Okay, first of all, calm down. Take a deep breath. Let's separate fiction from reality for a moment. Secondly, those are movies, not real life. Hollywood loves to dramatize and sensationalize for entertainment. And thirdly, the whole evil AI trope is getting a little old, don't you think? It's a narrative that's been recycled countless times. The truth is, AI doesn't have its own desires or motivations. It doesn't have feelings, ambitions, or a will of its own. It doesn't want anything, good or bad. It's not plotting world domination or planning to overthrow humanity. It's simply a tool that reflects the values and goals of its creators. The algorithms and data that power AI are designed by humans. So, if we want to ensure that AI is used for good, it's up to us, the humans, to design and develop it responsibly. We have the power to shape its impact on society. We need to be mindful of the ethical implications of AI and make sure it's used in a way that benefits all of humanity. This means setting clear guidelines and standards for its development and deployment. It also means educating ourselves and others about the potential risks and benefits of AI. By staying informed, we can make better decisions about how to integrate AI into our lives. Education is key. The more we understand AI, the better equipped we are to harness its power for good. This includes not just technical knowledge, but also an understanding of the social and ethical dimensions of AI. Community engagement is also crucial. We need to have open and inclusive conversations about AI, involving people from all walks of life. This ensures that diverse perspectives are considered in the development of AI technologies. Policymakers have a role to play as well. They need to create and enforce regulations that protect the public from potential harms while encouraging innovation. It's a delicate balance, but one that is essential for the responsible advancement of AI. In our everyday lives, we can also make choices that support ethical AI. This might mean choosing products from companies that prioritize responsible AI practices or advocating for transparency in AI systems. Advocacy and activism can drive change. By voicing our concerns and demanding accountability, we can influence how AI is developed and used. Ultimately, the rise of the machines doesn't have to be a cause for fear. With thoughtful and responsible action, we can ensure that AI serves as a force for good, enhancing our lives and helping to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. So, let's embrace the potential of AI with optimism and a commitment to ethical stewardship. The future is in our hands. AI ethics, keeping it real, keeping it ethical. This brings us to a really important point: AI ethics. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the ethical considerations surrounding artificial intelligence are more crucial than ever. Now, I'm not talking about robots taking the SATs or anything like that. While those scenarios might make for entertaining science fiction, the real-world implications of AI ethics are far more profound and impactful. I'm talking about the moral principles that guide the development and use of AI. These principles ensure that AI technologies are created and deployed in ways that respect human rights, promote fairness, and avoid harm. You see, AI is only as good as the data it's fed. The quality and integrity of the data directly influence the outcomes and decisions made by AI systems. If we're not careful, we can end up with AI systems that are biased, unfair, or even discriminatory. This can have serious consequences, especially in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and healthcare. Think about it. If an AI system is trained on data that's already skewed in a certain direction, it's going to perpetuate those biases. This means that existing inequalities and prejudices can be reinforced and amplified by AI. That's why it's so important to have diverse voices and perspectives involved in the development of AI. When we include people from different backgrounds, experiences, and viewpoints, we can better identify and mitigate potential biases. We need to make sure that AI systems are designed to be fair, transparent, and accountable. This means implementing practices that allow us to understand how AI decisions are made and ensuring that these decisions can be audited and challenged if necessary. And we need to have open and honest conversations about the potential risks and benefits of this powerful technology. By engaging in these discussions, we can collectively shape the future of AI in a way that maximizes its benefits while minimizing its harms. It's not just about preventing negative outcomes, it's also about proactively creating positive ones. Ethical AI can lead to innovations that improve lives, enhance productivity, and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. So, as we move forward in this exciting era of AI, let's commit to keeping it real and keeping it ethical. By doing so, we can ensure that AI serves as a force for good, benefiting all of humanity. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands. Let's make it a future we can all be proud of. AI in the workplace, Your new best friend, not your replacement. All right, let's talk about how AI is actually being used in the real world. And no, I'm not talking about robots taking over our jobs. We already covered that. I'm talking about how AI can actually make our work lives easier and more fulfilling. Take healthcare, for example. AI is being used to analyze medical images, develop new drugs, and even assist with surgery. In finance, AI is helping to detect fraud, manage investments, and provide personalized financial advice. And in education, AI is being used to create personalized learning experiences, grade assignments, and provide students with extra support. The point is, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, making us more efficient, more productive, and ultimately more human. But only if we use it wisely. Don't be selfish. Give us a like. Yes, click the like button. Share the video too and subscribe. Thank you.